Alright, hello everyone and welcome. I'm here at Rohtang Pass currently at 4000 meters above sea level, riding down the trail into Lahaul Valley. So many people do Manali to Leh cycling, which is the world's highest road, and but they miss out on these beautiful trails that they can do while descending Rohtang Pass. So Rohtang Pass is the first pass that you encounter on this highway, and weather conditions can be pretty unpredictable over the pass. It's currently raining here. It's cloudy and it's pretty cold, to be honest. Still, I'm having a good fun riding this trail down. It's my second time here on this trail, and it gets more fun every time I do it. I'm currently on my bike, Cannondale Scalpel SI, with a lefty Ojo. It's a brand new fork, and that's the end of the first trail. It's a small one, but much better than riding on the highway. There are some tourists standing over there. Let's not bump into them and straight away head to the second trail. The second trail is a bit more rocky and a bit more stubborn than the first one. Big rocks, big rocks. I hope I just don't crash into one of them. Yeah, let's just keep the momentum going. Yeah, over this. Problem is I can't see much clear because of the droplets on my glasses, and it's a bit of blurry vision. But I think I'm through this rock garden section and gaining momentum again. This whole trail is pretty much rocky like this, but it's much fun. Alright, I can see the end of the second trail as well now. Almost there. Just maintaining the momentum and having a good line in between the big rocks. Yeah, almost there at the end. I can spot the line from here a little bit. Yeah, that's the line. That's the line. Alright, easy. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.